Taiwan's global profile is growing. The world is applauding its coronavirus response. Taiwan is even sending aid to the world. It is exporting 10 million masks to virus-hit countries. And they're not faulty, if I may add. It is becoming harder for the world to ignore Taiwan, even for the WHO. And China is not happy about any of this. Here's a report.
Reams are being written about Chinese aid to the world. Turns out, most of it is substandard. But here's an island that isn't getting its due. Taiwan, a country of just 24 million people, is successfully battling the pandemic and helping billions of others in the fight. Taiwan is donating 10 million face masks to the world, including the United States, Spain, Italy and France.
Over the past months, we have seen countless acts of bravery and sacrifice from medical workers around the world. It is our duty as global citizens to give them our full support. We need to step up cooperation, and that means sharing experiences and materials.
President Tsai Ing-wen's message to the world is one of solidarity, and one that China doesn't appreciate. When asked about Taiwan's aid, China shot back. Beijing's foreign ministry said they too were donating medical supplies. Sure, they were, but here's the difference. Unlike the Chinese supplies, aid from Taiwan met quality standards. The contrast doesn't end here. Taiwan and China is a David and Goliath story. Taiwan is a tiny island facing the mighty China. And yet it is winning the fight against the Wuhan virus much better than China. Sample this. In early January, China was scrambling to conceal the coronavirus outbreak. Taiwan, on the other hand, was moving quickly to respond to a potential threat. Taiwan confirmed its first positive case in January. It immediately began screening passengers from Wuhan. China was struggling. The world's second largest economy had to accept aid from various countries and institutions. Taiwan, on the other hand, had no assistance. It was barred from the World Health Organization. It did not even have access to the WHO's data. So Taiwan deployed its military to help manufacture masks. Today, Taiwan is producing 13 million masks per day. The island is helping some of the world's richest nations. Taiwan was among the most vulnerable regions outside of China, given its proximity, ties and transport link. But look at the numbers. Just 376 positive cases of the coronavirus and 5 deaths. Taiwan has been immensely successful in containing the Wuhan virus. Here's why. When China was spreading fake news, Taiwan was announcing punishment for spreading disinformation. When China was pointing fingers at other countries, Taiwan's doctors were collaborating with hospitals across continents. When China was trying to unleash a patent war, Taiwan was offering to work with the US and Europe to develop a vaccine. Today, China wants the world to believe that autocracies can best combat a pandemic. But Taiwan, with its rapid response and transparency, has set a textbook example for every democracy. Is the World Health Organization listening?
Way too early.
Bureau Report, WION World is One.